Evening guys.
Hi.
Tonight we're off to Edinburgh Zoo Christmas lights. Yes, is that what it's called?
The Christmas light trail.
Oh, Christmas light trail. We went to, what was it Halloween trail last time or was it just a trail?
I think it was the Christmas trail, but it was like 2 or 3 years ago and it was dinosaur themed.
Oh that's right, was it definitely?
It was the Christmas time.
Right, well maybe it was the same thing, but I thought this was new, so we're going back then.
I don't think it's dinosaur themed this time.
No, it looks as if it's just going to be a Christmas tree one.
If you're going with your kids,
Christmas
there
lights, sorry.
is a Santa's grotto that you can book when you're booking your tickets, so remember to book that separately. We're not going to go visit Santa's grotto.
So it started yesterday. We wanted to get in early to show you guys what it's like and all that. We noticed that like when we do get in early that you guys seem to appreciate it and then you can see what it's like and that. Also, just before we talk more, give us a big thumbs up because of course you're going to like the video, and subscribe please.
On the 10th of December, this is the, no it's not the 10th, the 10th of December, this is the 20th of November, but on the 10th of December it's an adult only, so if you want to go like with the kids running about and stuff, like book up for the 10th of December.
Can go and do that, so fingers crossed it's not too cold, but I think it might be.
I don't mind.
Maybe Natalie's going to be all wrapped up. I'm just going to my t-shirt.
I'm literally standing holding my scarf. And I've got my, I know it's the 20th of November, but I've got my Christmas face mask ready as well. Because it's Christmas night.
That's it. Also, I'll just show you these guys here. Look what Natalie's done already. And, do you know, crazy.
I've printed and laminated them out for all the photos yet, but I just gradually sneak in Christmas into them.
Try to surprise me.
I didn't think you'd notice.
Oh, I noticed it, I just didn't want to say it to you.
There's a bell and Groot over there as well.
I was just not talking about that. Right, so we get going and we'll see them up there.
Let's go light walking.
Also, just to let you know, we're going to be driving up and the parking's free now because of COVID and all that. You get to park at Edinburgh Zoo free, so we'll let you know how that goes. That's brilliant, you know, saves us getting the bus, and because the bus is like, we need to get the train to Glasgow, which is 45 minutes. Then the bus to Edinburgh, and there's a lot of waiting around, so we just thought we'd drive, you know what I mean, just do that.
How exciting.
I know. Let's get going then. So this is us just starting the Christmas lights. We're running a wee bit late, but they were alright with it. They didn't say it, did they?
I was expecting to come up with a bit of excuse because we are literally about 15 minutes later than our time slot.
Well no, we're 5 minutes late. Because you get a 15-minute time slot, but
oh my goodness.
it's got us going round to the left. Usually you would go straight up these stairs that were in front of us, but this is us just starting it now.
This is lovely.
This big cracking holly, and then looks like all baubles all the way around here. Some cool wee tunes, and they're calling this the Festive Arch. Colours in here, eh? Nah.
Pardon?
I says I love the colours in here. Like how they changed there as well. I always feel that these types of colours makes it look dead spooky and sort of scary, you know what I mean? And I'm calling this one the Scenic Skyline. I'm not too sure if those noises are coming for the animals or if it's actually like they've got speakers or something. What do you think, Natalie?
I think it might be coming from the monkeys. The monkeys are just up there.
They're just there. They know what's going on tonight.
Yeah.
They're like, feed me a banana. Oh aye. That's pretty crazy. Oh, hope that's not the monkeys.
I think it might be a wild boar.
That's pretty crazy sounding.
Look, there's an enclosure right there.
It could be. It's noisy, whatever it is. Oh, here we go.
Oh my goodness, Santa's coming.
You guys might not be able to see that because it's quite bright.
Santa! I know him.
That's cool. All the way up here on the screens, but I don't think you guys will be able to see the screen. For some reason on the camera it's like super bright. That is cool.
Animal. Stop.
just heading into Natalie's favourite bit, the penguins, and it is actually stinking of fish.
How do they sleep? Do they sleep standing up? They can do. Standing up or sitting down. You can, or lying down. Sorry. Lying down.
There you go, that was pretty interesting. I didn't know penguins could sleep standing up. How cool does that look, doesn't it? Oh, there's a wee penguin there.
Oh, he's like, what are you doing at night?
I know. See him there, guys. I don't know if you will be able to see this because the camera's not very good at night, but
They sound terrifying.
they do actually, don't
I
they?
think they know I hate them.
That's the penguins through there. Just the wee white dots you can sort of see. Just coming out the penguins. We've got the reindeer here. Although, are they not missing some reindeer?
Yeah, well, there's only 4, but that's cool.
They're supposed to be 6.
This one on this side looks so evil.
To be honest, they all look angry. As he did. He's all ready for the winter. I think this is number 4 on the trail, and it's Glorious Gifts.
Legs.
Could you know waited a second to tell them where we're going?
So sorry.
Apparently no. Not as excited with these elf legs. This is what I've got to put up with, guys.
They are so cute.
These are actually pretty cool. What's it called that? Is it Elf on a Shelf? Or was that like 5 years ago? Is there something else now? Pretty cool. Imagine that's where Santa put your presents. If you got a hedge, you just flung them in the hedge. You had to go and get them. Would you be happy with that? Would you?
Yeah.
That's actually a cool one. This wee guy. The cool colours, but isn't it? Yeah, it sounds like a tiger or a lion in the background, pure going mental. There's just this wee bit here with the lights that we're actually bypassing. You can see the kids are doing it. We get a wee joystick, just makes the lights go up and down here. Pretty cool. There's a better way to look at it for these. Then they can race each other on that, looks pretty sweet. Like I say, we're just bypassing it because it's quite busy tonight. Got this cool candy cane round the tree. And then we're about to head into Festive Arches. That's cool. How cool is this? Make some good Instagram pictures.
We've still not had any.
You might get some, don't you worry.
Maybe.
We just come round the corner and there's this cracking projection up on the rocks.
That's the cutest thing. There's little elves and shadows in the houses, you see?
Ah, I see them there, aye. The colour wee trees.
That's how your presents get on the sleigh.
Oh, there's Santa in the background. Panda has presents. What's Santa doing? What's he fixing his sleigh? Ah, it's broke down. Don't know where he is because there's palm trees.
It's around here, he's still in the zoo.
Oh, giraffe's got a torch. Is that what you got for Christmas?
Well, that's okay.
Oh no, he's helping them fix the sleigh, that's what it is.
That's nice. All working as a team.
So on my way back home?
Yeah.
It's a short trip.
Oh no, he's delivered all his presents.
Just to the zoo, nobody else?
That's not Christmas yet.
How cool looking is this? It's like a big circle dome thing that you can walk in. Amazing looking. We're going to get in. How cool is that? I'm trying not to film like because there's kids and that in here, but look at it right behind us. It's cool, eh? Actually, could we go down this way? How cool is that? Like you're in your own big light disco.
Something smells so good.
Somebody's donuts or something, churros or something. Oh wow. Definitely going to this thing, guys. It was absolutely amazing. Could have stayed there all night. Look at the squares, Natalie. Don't give me your wow. It's amazing looking.
It is really cool.
We're going to head into can't even speak now. Festive Fix It.
That's when they were fixing Santa's sleigh in the video.
Oh aye, there you go. Santa must have lost weight to get underneath that sleigh, I'm telling you that.
Little penguins in their Wilderman. That's so cute.
This reminds me of the Enchanted Forest,
Yeah,
doesn't
the
it?
little flames.
Aye, it's cool, man.
Oh, they're everywhere.
I think that's what it's supposed to be, like the fire for Santa crashing.
Santa crashing.
That's what happened, like, with his sled. That's how they're fixing it. So the Festive Fix It was quite short, basically, and we're right into winter walk. Well, it is winter, isn't it? Oh, you bandit. I never noticed that step. Mind the step, children. Oh, that is cool, isn't it? There's a family up here now, so try not to get them in it, but there's a wee bit here you can go up to get a picture taken. It looks pretty cool. Natalie just told me we'll get Santa's dashboard here.
Look, he's got his GPS.
Oh, that's cool.
He's got his wee mobile. I don't know, he's been texting Rudolph.
Oh.
Hot chocolate level is 65%, which is, it's not a great hot chocolate level to be. You always want to be 100% hot chocolate.
We've got these cool light bars here.
They look cool.
They are pretty amazing, aren't they? These have definitely borrowed off of Enchanted Forest, aren't they?
They for sure are.
If you've ever been to the Enchanted Forest and put a look at it, you'll know what I'm talking about. Hopefully it comes back on. Oh, there we go. So as Natalie was telling us when we first came in, this is where Santa is, and as you can see there's a elf just right through there, and you need to pre-book tickets beforehand to go in and see Santa. But it looks actually pretty cool. It's a pretty big tent, isn't it?
It is. Lots of room for Santa to move around and have his reindeer.
And here's just the backside of that light show we were showing you, with the castle in the background, or house in the background.
I think it's a house.
Whatever it is, it looks cracking the night anyway. So this tunnel was here last time as well. It's absolutely amazing, isn't it? Super bright, look at it. So cool. This, to be honest, is probably one of my favourite bits in the place.
Oh wow.
They're cool, aren't they? All different ones all the way down here. They're cool.
I tried to grab one but I couldn't.
They're a wee bit big to just grab. Oh, this is cool. The gingerbread village. I mean, I don't know if it's miniature, is it? If it's for gingerbread people.
You're right.
So we're just about to head into this gingerbread village and have a wee look around.
Oh my goodness.
That's cool, isn't it?
There's little baker ones.
There's one there and I can't really see him, a bowl, aye. How cool are they?
They just got their little reindeer and they're holding hands.
Yeah,
Oh,
class.
I love it.
There's a few up the back here as well. See the backside of this guy here in the river in his bowl. See him just there. We've got some bears here with their scarves. Or the meerkats, sorry, they look like bears. You're at it. They're bears. Right, so the meerkats have got their hats and their gloves on. Because I suppose, why would bears have hats and gloves on? And then we'll just get Santa here, who's looking awfully thin in his sleds a bit. Like, thin, isn't it? But the reindeers look happy. We're just back into the gift shop and here's some cracking artwork. Or you can get yourself a wee bag. There's some tea towels as well. And here's the prices. There's the guy that done them. They are cool, aren't they? I've always liked these sort of weird like Inca masks. If they are Inca masks, aren't they? Some cracking wee elephants and that. I really like these of the pandas. That is cool, isn't it?
All the animals.
Aye, all the animals is cool. Flamingos? Nope, because flamingos stink. There's it, you can get like a wee smaller one, I think that's like a wee postcard or something. Oh, I like the tigers. They're class, aren't they? We've got some cracking prints here. One of my favourites got to be this panda. I know he's eating, but it looks like he's laughing. And then we've got some of these ones here. How cool is a panda in a big print? That looks amazing. Then we've got these, I don't know what they are, but the wee fat things, or the squishies.
Yeah, the squishables or something they're called. Squishmallows, that's what they're called.
I really like this panda hoodie as well, looks cracking. And this one round here too is nice. $37.50 for the two panda hoodies.